Best voltage tester switches ensure electrical safety, quickly detect live wires, prevent shocks, aid troubleshooting, and improve efficiency for professionals and DIY users. My today's video is about top 5 best voltage tester switches that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Kiewitz voltage tester / non-contact voltage tester. This voltage tester switch delivers a strong balance of safety, accuracy, and convenience, making it a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY users. Its advanced safety system stands out, using audible beeps and visual indicators to clearly signal voltage presence. The color-coded display, red for live wires and green for neutral, adds quick clarity, while increasing beep frequency helps gauge proximity to voltage sources. The non-contact (NCV) detection is highly practical, allowing users to check outlets, wires, and terminals without direct contact, reducing risk significantly. Its dual-range capability, 12-1000 VAC, enhances versatility, making it suitable for everything from household wiring to sensitive low-voltage systems like thermostats. Built with IEC Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V ratings, it ensures dependable protection. The compact design, integrated flashlight, and auto power-off feature further boost usability. Overall, it's a smart, safe, and efficient electrical testing solution. Now our second product is Klein Tools NCVT1P voltage tester. This non-contact voltage tester is a dependable and user-friendly tool designed for quick, safe electrical checks. Its standout feature is the non-contact detection, allowing you to identify AC voltage in cables, outlets, switches, and fixtures without direct contact, greatly reducing risk during everyday tasks. The clear LED indication system makes operation intuitive. A steady green light confirms the tester is working, while a flashing red light paired with an audible beep instantly alerts you to live voltage. With a broad 50-1000 VAC detection range, it's versatile enough for both household and light professional use. Durability is another strong point. The compact, lightweight body includes a secure pocket clip and offers 6.6-foot drop protection, making it reliable on job sites. The Cat 4 1000V safety rating ensures high-level protection in demanding environments. Additional conveniences like auto power-off help conserve battery life. Overall, it's a practical, safe, and efficient voltage tester for routine electrical diagnostics. Our third product is Neotech Non-Contact AC Voltage Tester Pen. This non-contact voltage tester is a practical and safety-focused tool designed for quick electrical diagnostics. With a wide 12-1000 VAC detection range, it effectively identifies live and neutral wires using distinct alarm sounds and LED indicators, making voltage detection simple and intuitive even for beginners. Its non-contact operation is a major safety advantage, allowing users to check circuits without direct exposure to live electricity, significantly reducing shock risk. Once voltage is detected, the bright LED immediately activates, ensuring fast and clear feedback for the user. Beyond testing, it also functions as a handy emergency flashlight, illuminating dark work areas such as switchboards, outlets, and wiring spaces. This adds real-world convenience for electricians, DIY users, and homeowners alike. Certified with CE Cat 3 600V and RoHS standards, it ensures reliable safety performance. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, it's an excellent first-line safety tool for everyday electrical inspections. Now number 4, Kiewitz voltage tester. This non-contact voltage tester is a highly practical and safety-oriented tool designed for quick and reliable electrical diagnostics. Its NCV sensing probe allows users to detect voltage in wires, outlets, and switches without direct contact, offering a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional testing methods. The device clearly indicates voltage presence and strength through varying alarm sounds and signal lights, making it easy to interpret results instantly. One of its strongest features is the 3-level sensitivity adjustment. With low, medium, and high modes, users can adapt the tester to different environments and voltage ranges, improving accuracy and control in both household and professional tasks. The built-in detection light and tail flashlight add excellent convenience for working in dark spaces, while the compact pen-style design ensures easy portability. Smart power features like auto shutoff and low battery alerts enhance reliability. Overall, it's a versatile, safe, and user-friendly tool for electricians and DIY users alike. And our last choice is Astro AI VTS 1000H voltage tester. This integrated voltage tester and screwdriver is a versatile and safety-focused tool designed for both professionals and DIY users. Its 2-in-1 design combines a high-strength steel screwdriver with a reliable non-contact voltage tester, making it highly practical for everyday electrical tasks such as wire checking, outlet testing, and breakpoint diagnosis. The NCV inductive probe allows safe, contactless voltage detection with clear visual and audible alarms. The device intelligently indicates voltage presence through a red tip light, red backlit screen, and increasing buzzer intensity as you move closer to the source, ensuring precise and intuitive readings. With dual sensitivity ranges, 12 a 1000V and 70 a 1000V, users can adjust accuracy based on the task, improving flexibility across different electrical environments. Safety is reinforced with Cat 3 1000V and Cat 4 600V ratings. Additional features like a backlit display, built-in flashlight, auto shutoff, and pocket-friendly design enhance usability. Overall, it's a compact, efficient, and reliable all-in-one electrical testing solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.